Ladies and gents, welcome back. Got some parts in for the Honda Shadow 1100, so let's dive into that thing and see if we can get it going. Well, first things third, as usual, let's rebuild the carburetors. Here's the little K&N kit. This is the main thing that we need, but we'll replace the other stuff just because we have it and it's new. And then got nice stuff for oil change here. Definitely got to do that. So these carburetors are relatively simple. This little pin right here slides out, and you can take the float out. You can see a little chingaderas there. The kit comes with a new one. It also comes with a new housing. I don't know if the stock one has a little filter like that. I'm gonna have to check. So this guy here is just a little 10 mil, and you can crack it loose. It comes out, and you can see it's got a little filter on the end there. Little new one. Pops right in there. So she's all back together. I still have to bolt the tank down and that, but I got the carbs all on and everything's hooked up. And we'll see how she does here. Oh, very nice. Sounds pretty good. And no leaks. That's a big deal. Alright guys, so we rebuilt the carbs, and it seems to be running much better now, as in it's running now and it runs good, so that's good. Tomorrow I'm gonna do the oil change. It is getting a little dark out here and I want to start dinner, so yeah, tomorrow we'll do the oil change, and then we're gonna go over the rest of the bike, and hopefully we can wrap that thing up tomorrow. But as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you on the next one.